coming at you with another look. So in this look, I use the P.louise MMMitchell Acid Rain collection. I had purchased it around Black Friday, but I have been putting it off because I just wanted to play around with it and get the feel of it and see how I like it personally. I do like them a lot. Here go like 2 of them. The other ones are up, but these are two of the shades that I got. Like I said, I did get the whole collection. I like them. It's different from the actual P.louise base. It's a lot stickier and they dry down, so you don't have to put an eyeshadow over them to set them or do anything like that. But I did, for this look, I did put some glitter on top of it while it was wet. So if you want to see how we created this look. Oh yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the video. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with the P.louise base in 03. And we'll go ahead and put that all over our lid to create a clean canvas. Okay, so we're going to go in with the Kerhet Dior's Kolorful Expressions palette in a dark purple. And we'll go ahead and put that into our crease. And then we're going to build it up and then we'll blend it out. Okay, so now we're going to go back into that same palette and we're going to use the light purple and we're going to use that to put next to the dark purple to blend it out even further. Okay, so we're going to take the Morphe 3503 and the shade is Ferocious and we're going to put that right on top of the light purple and then we're going to bring it all the way up to our brow bone. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into the 2 purples and I'm going to take the colors a little bit higher up, and also as I'm going, I'm blending and putting the colors back and keep blending. Okay, so I forgot to say that I don't take the 2 purples all the way into the inner corner, but I do take the shade Ferocious and I do bring that all the way in. So now we're going to use the P.louise MMMitchell Acid Range and the shade is Ibiza and that's the light purple, and I'm going to just go ahead and use that to cut my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take the dark purple again and I'm gonna just put that on the outer corner and then try and blend it into the acid range paint. Okay, so while that is still wet, I'm gonna take this shade Periwinkle, and it's by Flutteredbyro, and I'm gonna just put that right there in between where the light purple and the dark purple meet. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the MAC Reflecting Gold, and I'm gonna actually put that right on top of where I just put the other glitter, and then I will bring that one all the way into the inner corner so it covers the whole purple. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of this gold glitter and I'm gonna put it right on top of the other glitter just to give it some more bling. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next video.